Dahil para maging transparent daw ang ating budget deliberations, bubuksan sa publiko at mag-iibida ng mga CSOs, no? Civil Society Organizations to observe. So malaman namin kung kayo po sa inyong grupo po, kung ano ang reaksyon nyo dahil nag-umpisa na po yung budget deliberations, hindi po ba? Sa mababang kapulungan.
Yes.
Kayo po ba ay, have you attended the deliberations? Ano yung extent ng inyong participation? Meron na bang guidelines kung anong ang inyong magiging ambag? Go ahead po.
Yes, so magandang konteksto po na siguro i-discuss din po natin na it's not a new concept po yung civil society participation. Actually, many years ago po, nagkakaroon na po ng civil society participation. Meron na pong bottom-up budgeting na tinatawag. But I think dahil sa pandemic and everything that changed, na wala po iyon. So for example, yung speaker, nag-release po siya ng resolution, and then after nilang i-invite kami, sabi daw nila, historic or unprecedented po ito. So actually, hindi po siya unprecedented, hindi po siya historic. This is something that we like to believe na dapat nangyayari na po to begin with, no? But anyway, we were invited po to participate in the budget hearings, and naka-attend po kami sa unang-unang hearing, which was the DBCC po, no? So yung DBCC hearing po, doon po dinidiscuss yung kabuuang budget, si DBM po yung nagpe-present, pati yung macroeconomic situation ng bansa po natin. I think nabalita din po na nagkaroon ng issue dahil lumipat po ng venue, and then paglipat po namin ng venue, apparently wala ng space, so hindi na kami nakapasok. No? So that's something that we're trying to look into din, na sana maging very consistent ang role ng CSO sa lahat ng hearing po.
So, Sir AJ, aside from the budget hearings, no, kasi yun, at least talagang, sa tingin mo ba yung budget hearings sapat na to, for you to be able to say that it's transparent? Or is there something deeper that you'd really like more to pursue aside from the budget hearings? Kasi the budget hearings, that's accessible. I mean, di ba, you just go online, you can watch, you can see that. But behind the hearings, is there something else that you'd like to look into or to be a part of?
Correct po, no. Actually, hindi lang po observer yung gusto sana namin. We really want to participate, no. And yung concept ng participation, hindi lang po ibig sabihin ay nanonood kami. Kasi tama po kayo, yung mga hearing, nila-live stream naman po yan. So actually, what civil society would like to strive for ay dapat may boses, may genuine voice. Because we are made of a group of different organizations, different sectors, at the local level, at the national level. So marami kaming kayang iambag. Pwede namin silipin isa-isa yung mga line items, kung appropriate ba ito at the local level, di ba? Yung mga flood control, yung mga infrastructure projects. So what we really strive for is may boses kami sa mga hearing. Ayon sa guidelines so far, parang observer status lang talaga ang effective na role namin. But what we really want is, meron kaming bosses, we have the ability to submit, for example, mga position paper, mga inputs, mga feedback doon sa hearings. And then, our goal is dapat yung chairs ng mga hearings ay makapagbigay ng response sa amin kung i-adopt ba niya yung proposal namin. So we are very much willing to work with the House, with the Senate, with the members of Congress na i-improve yung budget para maging people's budget po talaga siya.